And when I started my lawn care business, there's so many lessons to learn. What's the best weed eater, Ryobi, Echo, Steel? Where am I gonna get customers from and how am I gonna keep? But this is one lesson we'll all experience. And man, I tell you what, this cost me a client, if not almost my business. All right, guys, what's the business? We out here now in South Louisiana, LAWNCARE ARCHITECH here, guys. Look, we're getting ready to try to make up some ground, guys. Of course, the last couple of weeks it's been raining. We've been having a lot of issues with wet grass, things like that. So a little bit behind. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is try to knock out as many as I can today. So it's gonna be a challenge, probably more than I've done before. So normally I like to keep it to about 5 yards a day, but can't do it today. We're gonna have to try to make it happen. So let's go. Real quick, guys, just wanted to let you guys know one of the things that I had to learn the hard way was actually getting out and getting the job done. We are at the mercy of the weather, our equipment. So, you know, if they said it was gonna rain, guess what I used to do? I used to make different plans for the day besides cutting grass. And I learned the hard way that gets you behind the quickest. And you may lose customers, which I have. Lost a customer because, you know, I didn't want to cut the grass because the grass was too wet. They didn't understand that, but you know, that's just part of it. Stay motivated. When you're sitting at home on the couch and they telling you it's gonna rain, have in mind and then plan, like today it was, you know, supposed to storm all day. About 3 o'clock it cleared up. So I said I wasn't gonna do it today. I wasn't gonna have it today. We're gonna go out and try to get some yards done. And we got 3 knocked out, which is gonna keep us from getting behind. Still got 2, but I think we'll be able to catch those in the morning. Guys, get out there and get it done. I believe in you. Go be great. Make it happen. Let's go.